Hello, today I would like to show you how to set up the integration of your project realized using Spock framework with Report Portal. First of all, let me tell some words about my project. It's designed using JEP, Groovy and Spock. It consists of page objects and some tests for these pages. And there is also JEP config Groovy file. And so let's begin. I have already installed the local version of Report Portal at my working environment, and I also created a Groovy project. So let's go to administration board and copy paste the settings. So I remove here unnecessary strings and also change tags. For example, let it be Groovy and Spock. Yeah. Also remove this string. Launch. Let's give it name launch Groovy. There is also such parameter as key. There may be several keys, so I just download certificate and copy it to the project. Our next step would be adding dependency to the project, dependency to Report Portal agent. You may find it in bin tray and copy this link to the clipboard and add to the configuration. You may see that I have built Gradle project, so I specified this URL in order to let Gradle know where to get dependencies, and this string also was taken from here. For Maven and for Gradle. So after adding this dependency, you will get a PAM Report Portal dependency. You may see that I have PAM Report Portal agent JavaSpock added into dependency for my project here. So now we should bind this dependency with services that Spock provides. In order to do that, you should go to dependencies and find this Spock core dependency. There is a meta-inf folder with services folder inside, and this file are global extension. You should create the same structure in resources of your project and create the file with such name. So I go to resources and click new directory, meta inf, and create here new file, new directory, services. So inside here I just copy this file okay. All these strings are not needed here. You should specify path to this class Report Portal Spock extension. So package is PAM Report Portal Spock, and class So now the integration should work. In order to verify that, I will run my tests. Tests are started, and you may see that new launch is created. Now tests are completed, and I may look inside, see that there are 2 failed tests. Let's look at details. By the way, I may hide before and after if I do not need them. Besides this result, I would get screenshots and possibly logs. So let's move on to the next step and add this ability. So let's go to build Gradle file and add dependency for logback. You may find it in Maven repository. And what we need to add is configuration. Report portal configuration contains configurations for basic loggers, and for logback it's also here, and you need to create a new file configuration that would be a logback XML file. So we added a logback dependency and also configuration, but that's not enough. What else we should do more is go to build Gradle and add one more dependency to this artifact. It's logger Java logback. Its version is the same as for agent, so just replace it with name, and I will compile. The project was successfully compiled, and also if you click this icon, update icon, you'll get a new item in dependencies, that's logger Java logback. Here it is, and also you will find it here, logger Java logback. What we are interested in is a report portal appender class, and what we need to do, we should take this package and pass it into the configuration that we have for the logger. So now that's correct. I also added level debug into the configuration. So now I add log into one of tests using this notation, and I will try to add this text as a log. I expect that it will appear in the report portal. So let's run my tests and look at the result. And let's look at log for this failed test, and this is the line that I expected to see here. So login works, and our next step is configuration of screenshots. JEP provides making screenshots by default. So what I need to do is to create a new class, this one that implements JEP reporting listening and overrides method responsible for reporting. So you see this code, and also it's important to add some initializing of variables into JEP config file. So you may see I've added these 2 variables, initializing of variable screenshot reporter and report listener variable. It's instance of class that I created. So let's look how it works. I run my tests in Firefox and expect that all of them should be failed. While tests are run, I will show you one interesting thing. You may send a screenshot in the test directly, even if it's not failed. For example, I wanted to make a screenshot at this step. In order to do that, I write report and specify the name. It means that screenshot would be added into the report even if there would not be any failures here. So let's look at the results that we get. So the latest launch, and let's look at this test. It failed, and you may see that there are two screenshots at this page. The first one was created for the first step, and it was because I specified it in the test directly, and the second screenshot was created because the test is failed. You also may see that screenshots are in black and white, and if you would like to get them in color, you should change this property in report portal file configuration. It's convert image, set up to false, and you will get it. So that's it. I wanted to tell you about the integration of your Spock project with report portal. I hope that it was helpful for you. Thank you for your attention.